Hello, greetings, fellow Nigerians. This is Joy the Cat Blog. If this is your first time of coming across my video, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you follow me always on Joy the Cat Blog. All right, quick one. The kind of dramas that have been unfolding in Nigeria these days in fact, it's something else. Make una see Orji Uzor Kalu. Orji Uzor Kalu, they cry, they lament because he actually knows that the Senate presidency have left him long ago. He's just realizing that, and he's crying. He's lamenting now, thereby saying that he now realized that there is no justice in Nigeria. Before Nkoinodo, when they say Igbos should rest for now, that presidency is not for Igbos now. Orji Uzor Kalu, Senate presidency is not for an. Hey, Orji Uzor Kalu, Senate presidency is not for an Igbo man, okay? Go and rest. The same way you told Peter Obi to go and rest, that 2023 presidential election is not for an Igbo man. You choose Tinubu to your own brother, not even only brother, to the most, credible candidate, presidential candidate. Orji Uzor Kalu, how market? You're just crying. In fact, your cry just they start. You go cry tire. They will deal with you. All of you that betrayed Igbos, all of you that betrayed Nigerians, because no, it's not just all about Igbo. It's all about better country. It's all about new Nigeria. It's all about good country that will favor everyone, that will cut across all tribes.
So in this Senate, before I came to the Senate, before I came into politics, I can buy anything body can buy. I'm not a thief. Those that put me in prison know the reason they put me in prison. They took over all my businesses and want to kill me. But I survived it. I'm in the Senate with you people. It's not the end to what we have done. It's not the end to United Nigeria. It's not the end to Brother Skipper. But these senators I called were with me. I never lacked. When the PDP that I was governor for 2 terms was being formed, I brought every money they used in forming that party. Every penny in 1997 and 98. And I later became a thief. And people I gave transport money from my house in VI became agents. This is what Nigeria represents. I want to thank my colleagues for giving me these 4 years of uninterrupted support. Because this country is not fair to so many of us. I built this country, I employed 13,800 workers. People employing nobody, and nobody asked them their source of wealth. I have 3 factories in Lagos, Nigeria. I have 2 factories in Ota, build manufacturing. I have 3 factories in Aba, manufacturing. And I'm a thief. And people that cannot explain where their source of wealth come from, they are not thieves. I leave everything in the hands of God. May God be the judge.